Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to drop ship from Taobao to Shopify. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com if you have not already, and after opening it up, you want to go ahead and log into your Shopify account in the upper right corner. So after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page where at the left side of the screen you can see all the sections you can access for managing your store, such as home, orders, products, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started connecting importing products from Taobao to Shopify. What we want to do is right here at the left side of the screen, look for the apps section. By clicking the apps section, you can open up the Shopify App Store. That's going to open up this app store right here, where you can find all the apps you can use for your store. And at the top of the screen, you're going to see a search bar. So we want to use this search bar right here and search for Taobao. Go ahead and enter in Taobao, and after searching for this, is going to give us a list. Is what you can do is check out all the applications that they're appearing right here, such as this one that works with Taobao specifically. You can check out Pocket for USA and EU dropshipping, so you can check out all the applications, see which one looks the best for you and which one you want to use, because you have free plans available to test them out. So find the one you want to use, and once you decide you want to use it for importing your Taobao into Shopify, you can click the install button. By clicking the install button right here, it's going to proceed to this installation process where you can get started into your store right here, and you will be able to find your application under the app section, and this is where you'll be able to find it to use it. But yeah guys, basically that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.